Everyone, I am so excited to have you back, and this is another Christian from one of the contests that I found. So this one is actually from the Euclid contest, and it's a grade 12 contest, hosted by the University of Waterloo. This is question 6 out of 10. Question 6 out of 10. 6, okay. So the question is, so we have this figure here, and this length of A and B equals 4 and BC equals 6. Now we know that these two semicircles are tangent to each other, and the question is, what is the radius of the circle? Note that the two circles have the same radius, and they're the same size. So we first want to draw a line such that includes the radius of one of these circles, because if we want to find the radius, we obviously need to draw a line that includes the radius, right? So it's probably not going to be any use to draw a radius from here to here or from here to here, because what are you going to do next, right? You can't do anything. Like, what are you going to do now, right? So then what we could do is that we won't know if this works for sure, but if we draw a line from S to T, we know that this will include both radii, right? And then if we figure out the length of ST, then we just need to divide it by 2 to figure out the radius of one radii, right? Okay, so what can we go from here? We can draw a line from here to here, and we know such that okay, let's call this point P, such that SP is perpendicular to BC. So in other words, this is right angle. Okay, so now we want to figure out the length of this, right? So what is the length of that? Well, as you can see, this part, let's call the radius of the circle R. This part is R, right? But then what is this part? Well, this part is the same as this part, and this part is also R because they have the same radius, right? So this is R. So then this part just becomes 6 minus 2R. 6 minus 2R. And then this part is pretty easy to figure out. That is just 4 because AB and SP are the same. ST, as we've said before, this is just 2R. So now we can use Pythagorean's theorem to figure out what R is. 4 squared plus 6 minus 2R squared equals 2R bracket squared. So 16 plus 36 minus 24R plus 4R squared equals 4R squared. These 4R squared cancels out. This becomes 52 equals 24R. So R equals to 52 divided by 20, equals 52 divided by 24, and we reduce it, that becomes 13 over 6, and that is the answer. Thanks for watching.